Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. We're in the kitchen today, and I promised you a long time ago when I was doing popcorn that I would show you what my popcorn looked like when it was popping. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to be popping popcorn that I grew in my high tunnel, my Queen Dome. It is the little mini Indian popcorn. It's great. We've already popped some, so I wanted to show you. This is what it's looking like. I kept it in the refrigerator. And all different pretty colors. It's little mini popcorn. So we're going to be popping this today, and I'm going to take you along. I have this huge pot now. I did this on purpose because I want to be able to show you what the popcorn looks like popping. So it's a huge pot. I have a glass lid for it, and we're going to hope that we can leave the lid off somewhat, but we're going to see. I put olive oil in the bottom, and then we're going to add some of our popcorn. Not too much, because I want to know that I don't overfill it, and I want you to be able to see it pop. Now, that doesn't look like a whole lot of popcorn, but again, I don't want it coming out of the pot. I went ahead and shook the pot and got it all laying out, letting it get hot. I have my lid just in case it starts popping all over the kitchen. We'll use it and put it on top. So it's getting hot, and with popcorn you just let it sit here in this oil till it gets hot enough, and then you'll start seeing some pop once it gets, I don't know, almost to boiling stage, I guess. I don't know. The grease has to get really hot. I can tell it's been almost a minute and a half or so. You see how the oil is cooking it? Now I've got my lid. I may end up with 2 or 3 of them popping out into the floor, but that's okay. It's getting closer. Where's the first pop coming from? I'm hearing it. Just trying. Okay, so I've got a few on the floor. So I have popcorn here as well as on the floor. One kernel popped out, another kernel, and some here, and a few on the floor. I had a few that did not pop, maybe a few in the bottom here. But overall, I'd say 3/4 of it popped, and it might be because I was playing around with it. I just added light salt. That's how Danny and I like it. But you see, the popcorn kernels are so small. They're about half the size of regular popcorn. Okay, so how many of you thought you were going to see colored popcorn? No, it pops white. Just because it grows in different colors, that skin pops off. You don't ever see it again, and it is white. Just for a heads up. The taste is amazing. Not a lot of husk and stuff to deal with. Y'all, I grew this popcorn. Isn't that awesome? And I get to eat it. I just think it's fun, and I will be growing popcorn again next year because Danny and I love this as a snack. I didn't grow much this year, but I had to prove that I could grow popcorn. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.